In this video, I'm going to share a unique idea with you. How to design a user form or a data entry form without any VBA, without any Office script. Now in this case, I design a user form on normal Excel sheet. If I simply add a data sheet and now if I click data refresh all, you can see a new row added here. Now if I add a new record, now you can see our new record added here as well. The benefit of this method, you can create this user form on Excel online version without any Office script. Another benefit, you can create a dependent drop down easily in the user form. And there are many other benefits as well. Now how to create this whole setup, I'm going to show you each and everything in this video. Consider I have this data sheet on which I have only a data entry form. Nothing complex here. I simply merge a few cells, adjust the column weight, insert icon here, then the field of user form, simply apply a light fill color, and those cells where we need to enter a data, make those white, apply a light borders. For now, if I simply write a simple data set, the next thing I need to create a table here. So first I need to type name exactly the same as per my user form. On the very end, I need to type timestamp. Now I will click here, simply type equal and connect the name cell. Next I need to connect category. On the very end, the timestamp, I will simply type a now function. Now I need to select all of my data set, hit Ctrl T to convert this into a table. Now click on table design. For the table name, we need to type, let's say, live data, hit enter. The next thing, I will click anywhere on this table, click on data from table/range. Now I need to duplicate this table and simply rename this, let's say, static. Now I will click close and load to. Now you can see I cannot select existing worksheet options. What I need to do, I will click only create a connection and simply hit OK. Now I will click on static, right click, load to. In this case, I will click table. And now you can see I can select existing options and I will select H4 and simply hit OK. Now a new table is added here. If I click on this table, the name of the table is static. Again, I will click on my Power Query editor. Now we have two queries. The first query getting the data from the live data set. The next query is also getting the data from the same query. What I need to do, I need to convert this to, let's say, static and hit enter. Now this table is getting the data from the self table. Again, I will right click and duplicate this table one more time. And this time I will rename this, let's say, current. Now I will click on live data, merge queries. In this case, I will select the timestamp column. On the second, I will select the current queries and again select the timestamp column. Make sure the left outer join is selected and simply hit OK. A new column is added here. We don't need this. Simply right click and remove this column. Now the last tip, click on static data. Click on source. Instead of getting from the source tip, I will remove everything here. Type equal. Simply type current. Now simply type space ampersand space live data and simply hit the check. Now I will click close and load to. In this case, I don't want to load the current query anywhere, so I will simply click only create a connection and hit OK. Now our data entry form is ready. If I click view and simply off the grid line, and now I can simply update the name, let's say Harun. Now you can see I input a new data sheet. If I click data, refresh all, a new row is added here along with the time stamp. Now for testing purpose, I input those two rows of data sheet. What I need to do, I will simply select, right click, delete and delete table rows. Now you can use this form easily. Now I input a new data sheet, simply refresh all and a new row will be added here. Now if you want to hide this table, simply hide this table. And this is how we can create a user form without any VBA. I hope you enjoyed this technique and learned something useful. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you so much.